Hello students, today we are going to our chapter lines and angles. This is our revision exercise. First one is supplementary angle. The two angles whose sum is 180 degree, these angles are called supplementary angle. Second is complementary angle. The sum of two angles should be 90 degree. If one is given 40 degree, let's say, so other should be 50 degree for as a complement angle. Now the third one is adjacent angles. Adjacent angles are those angles, these let's take an example. This is our given figure, and if these are the adjacent angles, when we can say these angles are adjacent angles, it should be first point same vertex. O is a same vertex, इसकी क्या है, same vertex है. Now second one is one arm common. OB a arm which is common in both the side OC and OA. And third one is other arm lying opposite sides of the common arm. कॉमन आर्म के अपोजिट साइड्स में ये दोनों आर्म होनी चाहिए, अपोजिट में होनी चाहिए, नॉट ऑन अ सेम साइड. नाउ फोर्थ वन इज लीनियर पेयर ऑफ एंगल्स. Angles which is made up of a line, these type of angles are called linear pair. So it is a line, and sum of these two angles whose sum is 180 degree. So this type of angles are called linear pair. Now fifth one is vertically opposite angles. When two lines intersect with each other, the angles formed by opposite sides, these are called vertically opposite angles. Okay, question number first, find the complement angle. The first part is 35 degree. Now we know the sum of two angles are it should be 90 degree. Question number 4, find the angle which is equal to its supplement. It means let the angle be x and supplementary angle will be x. Both are same. It is given. So the supplementary angles का sum कितना होता है 180 degree. X plus x equal to 180 degree. 2x equal to 180. X will be 90 degree. So the two angles will be 90 and 90 degree. Question number 7. In this question, figure is given. This is our figure. AOC and BOC. AOC is given 2x minus 10 degree and BOC is 3x plus 20. We need to find the x. So this is a line. On a line, the sum of these two angles will be 180 degree due to linear pair. So need to solve these equation. We will get x equal to 34. Put the value of x in AOC angle and BOC. We will get the value of AOC equal to 58 degree and BOC equal to 122 degree. Okay. Question number 9. Figure is given. These are two intersecting line at point O. They are intersecting at point O. It is given angle AOC is equal to 42 degree. Now we have to find BOC angle, BOD angle, angle AOD. We need to find these two. So we know AB is a line. So 42 plus BOC angle will be 180 degree because of linear pair property. So we can easily find out the value of BOC. It will be 138. 180 minus 42, it will be 138. So this is AOC and BOD. They are the vertically opposite angles. So we can say if AOC is 42, then BOD will be 42 degree and BOC is 138. So it would be AOD, angle AOD would be 138 degree. Okay. Now the question number 11. In this question, the figure is given. It is given that angle BOC is 100 degree, angle BOA equal to 56 degree, angle AOD is 74 degree, and we need to find out the angle COD or x equal to what value. So we need to always remember one thing, कि a point, sum of all angles around a point is 360. एक पॉइंट पे, होल पॉइंट पे कितने डिग्री का एंगल बनता है? इट इज ऑलवेज 360 डिग्री. सो एंगल AOB, BOC, AOB, BOC, COD एंड AOD, इन सबका सम कितना होगा? 360 डिग्री. Put the values of each angles and solve the equation. You will get x equal to 130 degree. So COD, we can say angle COD equal to 130 degree. Okay. Thank you.